Hello guys, how are you today? Fine, good? Good morning. We are playing basketball at Sapir Mall today with my friends. All DDF staff. Come on, follow me. Let's play basketball. Stay healthy always.
Sir, tapos na kayo? Basket. Saint Mat, 2 points. Two one. No more. No more coming. It's okay. Short. Rebound by Sherwin. Guys, mga kabayan, oh. Shout out dyan sa lahat ng OFW. Ilang oras yun, ano na? Ilang oras?
Next link, Sunday ulit.
Sunday ulit?
Next game, yes.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Basket by Ernest. Umispat si Boss Benjil. Short. No good. Rebound by Sherwin Narvaez. Basket. Choktong, 2 points. 2 points. Good shot. Rakam Wahid. Luka Doncic. Basket by Saint Mat. Basket. 2 points. Kuya Dos. Good defense. Drive. Basket. Steal. Guys, all four. All 14. Spot by Manjil. Short. Five, four. Basket.
Shout out to all Sapir boys. Tito Ryan, Ibo, Sandro, Cooks, Marte, Lester, Mark B.A., Reggie, Crayus, Estong TV, Master, Happy Vacation, Christian, Carlos, Erwin, Clarin, Dudes, Jolan, Sir Mike, Sir Chris, AI Duo, Loverboy, and Katropang Miguel, and Albert Sads. Stay safe, stay healthy always. Enjoy your life.
2 points by Ernest. Spot by Alan. Counted, Rakam Wahed. Good shot by Ernest, the pretty boy in CD. Two points again by Ernest.
I'm also making some videos.
Two points by Papi Larry. Shout out to all BA Perfume Shop, Ship A, Ship B, Ship C, and Ship D. Stay safe, stay healthy always. Ship C, Rakam Wahed, Mia Mia. 2 points by Kuya. Good shot by Yorme. 2 points. Joel Dulo. Nice shot. 2 points. Nice shot by Sherwin Arbaez, Batang, Batangas. Shout out to all my supervisor. Concourse A, Ship C, number 1. And hello, my big boss, Boss Sanjay. Stay safe. Stay healthy always. Take care. Thank you for watching. Don't forget, subscribe. Yorme 23. Masalam.